Looking for a reliable USB-C cable that delivers fast charging and lasting durability? The APFEN USB C Cable 10FT is designed to power your devices quickly while standing up to daily wear and tear. Whether you have the latest iPhone 17 or an iPad Pro, this cable is built to keep you connected without interruption. I've used this cable extensively, and the 60W power delivery really makes a difference. It charges an iPhone from 0 to 80% in just 35 minutes, and it can bring an iPad Pro up to 64% in the same time. The fast data transfer speed of up to 480 megabits per second means syncing large files or playlists happens in no time, which is perfect for anyone juggling work and entertainment. One feature that stands out is the 90-degree right-angle connector. This clever design keeps the cable out of your way during gaming, video watching, or reading. It reduces finger pressure and prevents the cable from bending or breaking near the connector, which often happens with regular straight cables. This thoughtful detail makes a big difference in comfort and longevity. Durability is where this cable really shines. The reinforced nylon braid can handle 48,000 bends and has a tensile strength capable of withstanding up to 175 pounds. Plus, the laser-welded metal connectors resist breaking, making it one of the toughest cables you can find. It's a solid investment if you're tired of replacing flimsy cables every few months. Compatibility is broad, covering iPhone 17, 16, and 15 series, iPad mini 6, iPad Air 4 and 5, MacBook Pro 2020, and even Samsung Galaxy devices. This versatility means you only need one cable for all your USB-C gadgets, simplifying your charging setup whether at home, the office, or on the go. If you're looking for a cable that combines speed, strength, and smart design, the APFEN 10-port USB-C cable is worth a look. It comes in a convenient 3-pack, so you can keep extras in your car, backpack, or desk drawer. Plus, APFEN backs this cable with a 6-year free return policy and lifetime replacement, showing confidence in their product's quality. With fast charging, durable build, and a user-friendly design, this cable changes how you power your devices daily. If that's you, someone who values reliability and efficiency, this cable fits the bill. Try it when you're ready and experience a cable that truly keeps pace with your tech needs.